Hello everyone, welcome to Dahua X Lab. My name is Ruan. Here you can find the latest and most interesting technology from us. So let's see who's going to bring us some surprises today. Hey Antonio, welcome to join us. So what are you going to present today?
Hi everyone, thank you for having me. Today for our X Lab, I'm going to show you the Dahua WizMind products.
So give me some ideas about it, please.
Dahua WizMind is a full portfolio of solution, project-oriented. It includes EP camera, PTZ, thermal camera, and software platform. It is focused on customer requirements and provides reliable and precise solutions. Here you can see the main feature: wide area security, privacy protection, human video metadata, long-range surveillance, parking space management, vehicle video metadata, DSS Pro software, anti-explosion cameras, and object monitoring.
Oh, well, that's really a lot of features, but I really don't know where and how to use those features, to be honest.
They have nice names, but they are easier what you expect. Imagine that you want to count how many people are in a wide area like that. You will need at least one person that constantly keeps track of how many people are in that area, and maybe you need several cameras to look at it.
That will be really expensive and seems a very boring job.
Yes, and imagine that you also want to detect if in a specific area, let's say on the top right of the image where the shop is, a vehicle enters. Maybe you will need an extra camera only for that.
I cannot imagine how hard it will be the setting up, to be honest.
Well, not with the wide area security function. You can have an alarm when an area is too crowded and another alarm where the vehicle enters a specific area. Really easy to configure and only with one camera.
That is really cool. I think most people doesn't really know how to set it up.
And this was only the first function. Now, imagine to have a camera on the front door of your store, and that for security reason, you also have a screen that shows the live view of this camera. Do you think that all your customers will be happy to be on TV?
I don't think so. Most of people will feel really uncomfortable about it.
I can imagine. And that is where the Privacy Protection 2.0 come handy. You can have real-time occlusion for face and body. Your customer will be safe and their privacy will be protected.
Okay, cool. That will make my customers feel happy and also save my business, definitely.
Okay, now imagine that you have an installation site where it's required that every employee wears a PPE equipment, personal protective equipment. How would you control it?
Then I need to arrange one person at the entrance of the installation site, I guess.
Well, not if you use the human video metadata 2.0. You only need one camera, and when someone is detected without PPE, you will receive an alarm.
That's incredible.
See how cool can be that function? And they are not all yet. Do you know a place that needs perimeter protection, but a really long perimeter?
Like an airport or the border area?
Yes. How would you protect an area like that?
I might need a lot of cameras to install there, but that will cost a lot of money.
Well, not with the long-range surveillance thermal camera. They can detect up to 8 km per human and up to 20 km for vehicle.
Wow, that's something beyond my imagination, actually.
Yes. Okay, next function. Do you have a car, Ruan?
Yeah, I do, but I don't really drive it that much because the parking is really something nightmare for me.
Well, then you will love the next function, the parking space management. Look at this. Do you know how many free spots are available in there?
Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why
5.
should you count if a camera can tell you in real time how many free spots are available?
Really? Can a camera tell me about this?
Yes. You can instantly know how many spots are still available with the selection of only one camera.
Well, if parking is not a nightmare anymore, definitely I will drive more in the future.
And as you have a car, I can imagine that you have been in busy roads.
Yeah, almost every day. But what can be done to improve this kind of situation, the traffic on the way?
Maybe if you will know how many vehicles there are during the day and in which direction they go, you will be able to manage the traffic differently.
Probably yes, but how do you know that?
Easy! With the vehicle video metadata function, you can have more than 7 attributes per vehicle and create the best report for your busy road. Look at the video.
Stop! So how can I manage this report and also the alarms for other cool functions that you mentioned?
You have different ways to access to the devices, but if you want to have the best functionality and managing, there is only one solution, the DSS Pro software.
Wait, what is that? Do I need any specific hardware for that?
No, really. The DSS is a professional software that can be installed in every computer. And due to our amazing team, it is also open to special customization.
That is really helpful for all of the business, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, so I have a confession now. I do have a really old IP video system, and what you mentioned, the functions that are really cool from the WizMind. But I cannot replace all of the cameras, definitely.
What if I would tell you that you can keep your old camera and still use some of the WizMind functions?
No way, I wouldn't believe you on that.
You have to believe me. With the WizMind MVR series, you can have up to 4 channels for video metadata and up to 12 channels for perimeter protection. You can save your old IP video system.
And also my money.
I have one more potentially unlimited function to show you.
Please, Antonio, tell me about it.
We talked before about crowded places like airport or train station. We know now that with one camera we can instantly know how crowded are these places and if a vehicle enter in a specific areas, right?
Yes, there must be something more can be done, right?
Much more. In these places, it's really important to instantly locate an object lost, like for example a luggage, right?
Yes, that's why so many security guys around that area, I guess.
With the object monitoring function, a camera can instantly tell you when a luggage is lost, reducing the time and the stuff necessary to locate it.
That's perfect, but why did you say that this function can be unlimited?
We mentioned before how the DSS Pro software can be customized, but it is not the only one. It is possible to customize the object monitoring function to let a camera detect many other objects like wallet, boxes, or everything that comes in your mind.
That is amazing, which means the scenarios that it can apply is unlimited.
Exactly.
Really impressive. Now it's becoming clearer that where I can use those amazing products.
I'm really happy about it. Dahua WizMind products is a full portfolio open for every scenario, including anti-explosion and anti-corrosion cameras. And due to its amazing customization available, open to a wide series of opportunities.
Okay, Antonio, did you bring those amazing products?
Yes, of course. Here we have a 7 series camera. What do you think of it?
They look really solid. When can I use them?
You can use the 7 series camera for human video metadata 2.0 and vehicle video metadata. Do you still remember this function?
I think so, yes.
They are used for PPE detection and the analysis of busy roads.
Oh yes, now I remember it better. Thanks, Antonio.
Nice. This camera has IK10 and IP67 protection, so complete protection against water and dust, and even with anti-vandalism cover, as you should know.
Yes, I know.
In addition, this camera has alarm input and alarm output that can be connected with the function that we explained before. Can be connected with several power supplies and can even support an SD card of maximum 256 gigabytes.
Wow, that's not just a camera, it sounds like an entire video system.
That is the potential of the WizMind series.
Well, I guess the image will also be super clear.
For this model, we have a 12 megapixel sensor. Do you think it is clear enough for you?
Probably better than my eyes.
Maybe.
Okay, so why are we still sitting here? Just show me how this magic is happening in the real.
All right, let's go test them.
Please wear your safety vest and helmet. Please wear your safety vest and helmet.
Wow, that's really an amazing journey. Thank you, Antonio, for showing those amazing features for Dahua WizMind series.
That was a pleasure.
Well, now it's clear that Dahua WizMind is definitely better than my mind.
I guess you're right.
So, do you want to know more about what we are going to show in this X Lab? Subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and see you
next time.